I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, 'cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king size.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I do like to bring you videos at least every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, usually related to hair. So if that's something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a video. Alright y'all, so today is another synthetic wig review, and this unit is from the Janet collection, and it is one of their Color Me units, which is a 6-inch deep part lace wig. Now we normally get 5 inches, but Janet collection want to go a little deeper and give us 6 inches, so that's what we got today. She is in the style Mia, and I actually have her in 2 colors. The first color is going to be this one B, and I also have her in the color O.CinnamonBlonde, which of course is ombre cinnamon blonde. So let's go ahead and dive right into the video. Alright y'all, so this is the pretty wavy hair, and this is what the stock card looks like. Now this unit comes with a dense hairline as well as baby hairs, and this is the deep parting space. Comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps as well as a breathable cap. Now what I really love about this unit is that it comes with brown girl friendly lace. Love that. Although the hairline is very blunt, it does come down ear to ear. Alright y'all, so after I cut off the lace, I wanted to show you that this hair is shiftable to the left side or the right side. However, in the end, I did decide to keep it in the middle, although it looks very cute as a side part as well. Now, to prevent the hair from getting too big, I decided to comb through it instead of brushing through it. And I did, in fact, get a little bit of shedding, actually a lot of shedding. And then I went in with my Nairobi foam mousse to kind of minimize all of the frizz. Now, a public service announcement. This bottle, this 8-ounce bottle, cost me $15.99. And then I just went on Amazon and bought a refillable bottle that's 32 ounces that only cost me $26. If you do the math, you'll see how much of a savings that is. And I'm only mentioning it because I know it's a lot of YouTubers on here that actually use this Nairobi foam mousse. Alright y'all, so now that I have finished styling Miss Mia, let's go ahead and talk about her. Mia is quite simple, first of all. She is all the way beginner friendly and a quick throw and go. You ain't gotta do much to her, y'all. Not much at all. Throw her on your head, put a little foundation powder in the parting space. You ain't gotta worry about these baby hairs. I started off messing with the baby hairs. Unnecessary. I quickly swooped them things right on out the way. So of course you get this super deep 6-inch part lace, which is quite nice. For some reason it seems to be the same length as the 5-inch to me. Maybe my measurement is off. I don't know. I'm not quite seeing 6 inches, but you know, okay. It really doesn't matter to me whether it's 5 inches or 6 inches. So an additional inch is not a good selling point for me. Just my opinion. I'll take it at 5. Doesn't matter to me. So the hair is quite nice, y'all. This is a cute style. Y'all know I'm a fan of the waves. I love wavy units, period. Although this one is quite long. So, you know, a lot of people don't like all that hair in the summertime. And I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I don't know if it's my house or this hair, but I am feeling a little flustered, just a little hot right now. Just a little bit. It is a little heat wave going on right now. It could be me too, you know. I'm getting a little older, y'all. I'm not quite in the hot flash season yet, but I feel like it might be coming. It's coming. Alright, anyway. I'm not getting a ton of tangling with this unit. However, there is some shedding. She definitely has a silky texture, and I felt like she had a smidge of a shine, so I just added some of my dry shampoo just to kind of reduce that shine. Any dry shampoo that you have, and if you don't have that, you can use some cornstarch or baby powder, and that will definitely reduce any shine that you have on these units so that they don't look so wiggy. We don't like wiggy. So now I'm just going to do a little switch out and put on the Ombre Cinnamon Blonde, and let's see what she's looking like. All right, y'all. So this is the Ombre Cinnamon Blonde color. She's cute, huh? So let me tell y'all, I was actually influenced to get this wig from my girl Ikoya, also known as Silky Sax. I saw her review this unit, and she reviewed some blonde. I think it was like a butter blonde or something. Don't quote me. I'm not really sure, but it was a blonde version. And I really wanted to try. I like wavy units, so I really wanted to try it in a natural color and also a blonde color. So that's why I got this cinnamon blonde as well as the 1B. And I like this blonde, but I actually like that 1B. I don't know. I don't know which one I like better. I feel like I like the 1B better. Yeah, I think I might like that 1B a little better. This is probably definitely somebody's cup of tea right here. And not that it's not mine, because I think it's super cute. This color is really cute. I just like this style in that 1B. That 1B really set it off for me. But this is cute too. This is cute too. So shout out to my girl Silky Sax for influencing me to get this unit, because I actually like it. It's not a bad unit. It's easy breezy. You got various colors you can choose from. This could be a little hitter right here. And I'm definitely getting all kind of Beyonce vibes in this one right here. Come on, Beyonce. Ow. So I pretty much styled this one the same, but let me tell you, this one sheds even more. Because of this blonde color. I mean, we all know. The lighter the color, the more it sheds. And yes, this sheds even more. But I styled her just the same. I didn't use the baby hairs. However, I snipped the lace. I was like pulling some of the hair out of the parting space, because the parting space is a little crowded at the front. So I was pulling hair, being all non-gentle, and I ripped a hole in the lace. So I ended up cutting the V, you know, cutting a little V in the lace to get rid of that little hole. It was like right here in the front. Cut that out, and it still looks good. I mean, yes, it's laying, so you know, no harm, no foul. It's fixable sometimes. It's not always fixable. I have torn some holes in my lace like way back here. Not fixable unless you, well, I have fixed it. You gotta add like the lace, you know, and re-sew. It's just a lot of work. Who's going through all that? I've done it, but will I do it again? No. Alright, so let's talk about the price. The price range of this unit ranges anywhere from $25 to $40. So that is very affordable in my humble opinion. I'm not in nobody's pockets, but I think that's very affordable. Of course, that all depends on the site that you choose to get her from, as well as the color that you choose to get. So I will link your various options down in the description box below so that you can make your best informed decision if you're interested. Now, is she worth it? If you can get her at a good $25 to $30, yeah, I'd say she's worth it. I would definitely buy this at that price range. I probably wouldn't go any further above that because I feel like it's a whole lot of units just like this, in my opinion. And I know I have several sitting up in my repertoire. But, you know, at that price, it's pretty affordable and it's worth it. Because it's easy, y'all. Like, it's super easy. It is so beginner friendly. You know, it's just not a lot of work involved. And most people like those super easy units where it is workless. You ain't gotta do nothing, right? No plucking, no gluing down, no none of that. Just put some foundation powder in the parting space. Done and done. So y'all let me know what y'all think about Miss Mia. Let me know what you think. Let's go ahead and chat about her. Alright, well that's really all I have for y'all. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I thank you all so much for watching. Again, shout out to Miss Silky Sax. I'm going to link her video down in the description box as well, so that you can check her out and check out some other options and other colors that she reviewed, because I don't think we reviewed the same colors. So that'll be in the description box for you. Alright guys, please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.